Hello Trojans, today we're going to talk about how to schedule an appointment in the Writing Center using TrojanConnect. Remember that you can do this same feature using the app and you still click on appointments and then schedule an appointment. Once you click on schedule an appointment, it will take you to the scheduler. The first question that you'll have to answer is what type of an appointment you would like. So you'd like an academic support appointment. The reason for your appointment, and for the Writing Center you will roll down. You can select brainstorming, citation, general writing assistance, proofreading, or help with a science lab. And then you can leave the date as is or change it. But when you click find available times, you can use the calendar to go to the date in which you know you would like to have your appointment. So if I'd like to have my appointment on the 22nd, I click on that. And then I decide if I'd like to have a virtual appointment, just use the drop box, or have a face-to-face appointment in Beetle Hall. Once I decide on my location, then I can just pick a time that I know will work for me. And at that time, it will give me the details of my appointment. It will say that I have a Writing Center appointment for general writing assistance on the 22nd at 12 p.m. in the Writing Center with Anna. Anna has some notes for me to remember to bring with me, my assignment, the rubric, my computer, and if I have any other comments that I'd like to share. So I might tell Anna that this is for English 101 or whatever class it is that you are working on. Then you will get an email reminder and a text reminder, and then you will click on schedule. And once you click schedule, you will now see that it's a celebration to schedule. You can go to your appointment center to see this or schedule another appointment. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you.